Hi guys, Sam here from Landscape Plus. Today we're going to have a little look at the IN-LITE system and what you need to do should a cable be damaged when in a garden. So the first thing you'll notice is on the side of the smart hub that we've got here, the indicator light will be flashing. That shows that the system is tripping in one way or another. So you locate the area in which your cable has been damaged, quite simply cut away the damaged piece of cable. You've then got your two cords of cable. You need to separate the two of those ever so slightly. And again on the other end. That allows you to use the little cable caps to waterproof the end of the cable. So you need to do that on both of them. So you've now capped the end of the cable, cap the end of that one as well, and then you would grab a CC2 connector, which can be used for taking spurs off of cable, but it's also great for repairing cables. So all you would do then is get the affected cable side by side, pop your caps back over, exactly the same on that one, and don't forget to cap the end of that cable as well. That one over the top there. You've now repaired your cable. You can reset the hub, flashing light stops, and you're good to go. The one thing you need to remember though is that the maximum load on one of these CC2 connectors is 50 VA, so just ensure that your lights on that run don't exceed that.